Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today let us know the importance of protein shakes and how is it good for diabetes. Lastly, we will prepare a protein-rich shake that is ideal for diabetics. Let us start. Everybody needs protein. Proteins empower each cell to work and help to look after, reconstruct and fix muscle. Our bodies make up new proteins, yet others must originate from the food we eat. For example, protein food, whey, meat and tofu empowers the body to make the protein it needs. Protein may likewise have different advantages for individuals with diabetes. Similarly, shakes are a low-carb, high-fat drink for people who restricts the number of carbohydrates and are diabetic. Now let us see a few of the precautions to be taken before starting on with protein-rich shakes. Overseeing glucose. Consuming extra protein may influence the probability of having glucose spikes. It is genuinely critical to check the degree of glucose before burning through the protein shakes. It is said that protein shakes increases insulin discharge in individuals with typical body weight. So it is advisable to pick the correct protein powder for your eating regimen, particularly when you have diabetes. Now let us see how protein works as an energizing option. When you need easy bites to eat at any point of time, you can generally add a protein shake to your eating regimen, but skipping high carbs or sugar, which may increase sugar levels in the blood. A protein shake may be a more refreshing choice as it takes time to digest, thus glucose spike is lower and the individual will feel full for longer. Make sure to check the label to confirm if there is no added sugar. Furthermore, it is not recommendable to buy packaged protein shakes as it may contain sugar that would further increase the sugar level. Now let us note down a few of the protein-rich foods. Protein shakes can go about as a protein supplement. Yet, it is significant to eat a few of the protein-rich foods like meat, fish, dairy produce, nuts, and beans, as these give other essential supplements too, like fiber that keeps you healthy and free from various ailments. Now, lastly, we will prepare a protein shake for diabetics. Please note down the ingredients. You need vanilla protein powder 1 tablespoon, apple 1 cup diced, Ceylon cinnamon powder 1/4 teaspoon, chia seeds 1 tablespoon, old-fashioned rolled oats 1 tablespoon, and unsweetened almond milk 1 cup. Note down the method. Add all the ingredients into a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour it into a glass and serve. I hope you are now clear about the benefits of drinking protein shakes and the precautions you need to adhere before starting the same. Moreover, it is also clear that diabetics may indulge in drinking protein shakes that would add extra protein and less of carbs, hence may be beneficial for individuals. Thank you.